What else are we having for dinner? Well, that night we had soup to start with and an apple crumble pie thing for dessert. So just keep an eye on all those videos because they're all there. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. It's handy tip time. One empty plastic container. Got at the supermarket when we bought some shellfish, I think, fresh shellfish, and one piece of folded up kitchen roll, kitchen towel. Pop that in the bottom. And then when you've been cutting fruit and peeling fruit, etc., I'll just turn you down now. And you have all the leftovers, all your peels, pop them in the said. You ask. Well, in some areas now, it's spring, summer coming up, and I actually use it all year round, but I can't stand those little fruit flies. And I find that if you put your fruit peelings in the little container and in the fridge, they shrink down, and you can use this for quite a number of days, and then pop it in your refuse bag and then out in the rubbish bin outside, just to get rid of those little fruit flies inside. So if I put it in my normal kitchen bin now, I'll have little flies flying around all the time. So I just do that to protect them. Can't get fruit flies in, smell doesn't come out, gone fruit flies. Tip for today. She's waiting